Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download WhatsApp app into your Windows operating system for free. You just need to come over into your search option and then you just need to search for Microsoft Store. After that you will get the Microsoft Store and then you just need to click open it, and then if you open the Microsoft Store you will get a home top free apps option, and then here you will get the WhatsApp over here. So if you want to install it, you can simply click on the install option, and if you can't find it over here, you will just going to search over here called WhatsApp, and then you will going to get the WhatsApp app option. If you click on that, you will get the WhatsApp installation section. If you just simply click on install, it will getting started the installation into your Windows. You can see that the Microsoft Store notification called WhatsApp is downloaded. You can open it from here. Also, you can open it into from the search option like WhatsApp. You can see. So we will going to open it, and then you can see it's an option called Get Started. Welcome to WhatsApp. So click on that. And from here, what you need to do, if you have already opened your WhatsApp account into your mobile phone, you can just simply click on the linked device and then going to scan this QR code, and here you can also add your account that is logged in into your mobile phone. So this is how you can install WhatsApp for your Windows. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.